HRITHIK Roshan is one of the biggest stars in Bollywood today. Everyone knows him for his amazing dancing, strong acting, and handsome looks. But not many people know about the struggles he had to face before becoming a superstar. HRITHIK's journey was not easy. He had to fight many battles, both inside himself and with the world around him. Childhood problems. HRITHIK was born on January 10, 1974, in Mumbai, India. He was born into a famous family. His father, Rakesh Roshan, is a well-known actor and director. His grandfather, J. Om Prakash, was also a famous filmmaker. Many people think that being born into a film family makes life easy, but HRITHIK's life was different. From a very young age, HRITHIK suffered from a problem called stammering. Stammering means that a person cannot speak smoothly. Words get stuck, and speaking becomes very difficult. For HRITHIK, speaking even a simple sentence in school was a big challenge. Because of this, he was often teased by other children. He felt embarrassed and scared. He would avoid speaking in class. And sometimes he would even fake illnesses just to skip school. The pain of stammering. Imagine wanting to say something but not being able to. Imagine everyone staring at you, waiting. And you feeling helpless. That was HRITHIK's life. His stammering made him lose confidence. He became very shy and quiet. Many people told him that he could never become an actor because actors need to speak well. Hearing this hurt HRITHIK deeply, but it also made him stronger inside. He started speech therapy when he was 6 years old. He went to many therapists, tried different exercises, and worked very hard to improve his speech. He would practice speaking for hours in front of a mirror. Even today, HRITHIK says that he has to practice before giving speeches or interviews. Health struggles. Speech problems were not HRITHIK's only struggle. He also had physical problems. He was born with an extra thumb on his right hand. Some people made fun of him for it. It made him feel different and uncomfortable. Later, he learned to accept it as part of who he is. HRITHIK also had scoliosis, a condition where the spine curves. Doctors told him he could never become a dancer because of his back problem. Dance requires a flexible and strong body, and HRITHIK was told to avoid it. But HRITHIK did not give up. He trained hard, exercised daily, and strengthened his body. Today, he is known as one of the best dancers in India. Struggle before fame. Before HRITHIK became a hero on screen, he worked hard behind the scenes. He worked as an assistant to his father Rakesh Roshan on films like Karan Arjun and Koila. He would do small jobs on the set, like serving tea to actors and sweeping the floor. HRITHIK wanted to learn everything about filmmaking. During this time, he also trained hard to improve his body, his acting skills, and his speech. He took acting classes, learned dance from famous choreographers, and worked out in the gym regularly. Even though he belonged to a famous family, he wanted to earn his place through hard work, not by taking shortcuts. Big break with Kahona. Pyar Hai. In 2000, HRITHIK made his debut as a hero in the film Kahona. Pyar Hai. The movie was a huge hit. Overnight, HRITHIK became a superstar. People loved his acting, his dancing, and his charm. He won many awards for his first film itself, including the Filmfare Award for Best Actor and Best Male Debut. But even after becoming famous, HRITHIK did not forget his struggles. He knew how hard he had worked to reach this point. His stammering did not suddenly disappear. He still had to practice before every public speech. His health problems did not go away. He continued to train and take care of his body. More challenges after success. After Kahona, Pyar Hai, HRITHIK faced another struggle. Some of his next movies did not do well. Films like Aap Mujhe Achhe Lagne Lage and Main Prem Ki Deewani Hoon failed at the box office. Critics started saying that Hrithik was just a one-hit wonder. This was a tough time for him. But Hrithik did not lose hope. He worked even harder and came back with amazing performances in movies like Koi Mil Gaya, Krish, Dhoom 2, Jodha Akbar, and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Each of these films showed a different side of his talent. Personal life struggles. Hrithik also faced challenges in his personal life. His marriage to Suzanne Khan ended in divorce in 2014. It was a very painful and emotional time for him. But he handled it with grace and dignity. He focused on raising his two sons, Rehan and Ridhan, and continued working on his career. He also suffered from a serious brain injury while shooting for Bang Bang in 2013. He had to undergo brain surgery. But once again, Hrithik came back stronger. Inspiration for everyone. Hrithik Roshan's story is an inspiration to millions. He shows us that success does not come easily. It requires hard work, patience, and courage. Even when people laughed at him for his stammering, or when doctors said he could not dance, Hrithik never gave up on his dreams. He taught us that struggles make us stronger. Today, when Hrithik speaks at events, he talks openly about his stammering and encourages others not to feel ashamed. He supports charities that help children with speech problems. He uses his story to give hope to others. Conclusion. Hrithik Roshan's life teaches us that everyone has struggles, even the people who seem perfect from the outside. What matters is how we face those struggles. Hrithik did not let his problems stop him. Instead, he fought against them and turned them into his strengths. His journey from a shy, stammering boy to one of India's biggest superstars is truly inspiring. Hrithik Roshan proves that with determination and hard work, anything is possible.